Hi, I'm Max, this is Pippa, my Sunseeker Tomahawk 37 from the early 90s. Today I'm going to walk you through all the electronics I have on my boat. Out of the helm I've got my two Axiom 9s, 9 pluses, and got my ICOM M510 with AIS receiving, which is networked into a NEMA 2000 system to give me AIS receiving for those longer trips, just as a safety precaution. Also on the radar arch I've got a slightly old Raymarine HD Colour 18-inch radar. Downstairs I've got my slightly overkill Axiom 7 RV and my Fusion RA210. So I use this Axiom for my battery monitoring and chart planning on a longer trip. It's paired with the Victron Smart Shunt through the NEMA 2000, so I can get all my battery data, time to depletion, kind of consumption, ampage draw. It all comes through on NEMA network, but I use this Axiom down here for the battery monitoring. So up on the cockpit I've got 4 sets of Fusion XS speakers at the moment. I've got a pair down there which form going backwards, and I've got another set up on the radar arch just there. They're paired with the Apollo 6 channel amp to give the ultimate sound. With the DSP settings, the Apollo amp is mounted just under there. And then I plan to install a set of Signature 3 speakers just under the rear bench, so that when we're underway the driver and the passenger gets forward facing music, just because when you're going 35 knots all the music goes backwards, obviously because it's on the radar arch.